Another Superior Electric Superlectric box fan that I have, and we've got a TV channel knob pressed into service as the channel knob, or the speed selector knob here. Let's view the details. The model number is 2065S, made in Cape Girardeau, Missouri. This fan had been used in my electronics and music room here at the house, and it has kind of gotten to where it doesn't want to start up. I think it may need some lubrication with LPS2. I'm going to try some Zoom Spout on it and see what that does, see if that'll help it. It's a little bit earlier than the one I've got at the West Building. This one has a metal fan grill. Okay, here's the performance of the fan as it is now. Not even able to start up. So I'm going to try some Zoom Spout on it. See if we can get it to run. Okay, I think that Zoom Spout did the trick, although it's probably going to need to go to the workbench for some really good cleaning and degreasing. It's kind of dusty and dirty, but Zoom Spout oil did manage to get it functioning. There's the high speed. Let's see what it does on low.